Hi everyone, today I show a problem solving tips. I have a problem in my website. I can show you. First right click and inspect section, and I go to mobile response view and select a device. After that, one thing I face if I go to bottom in my website, here you can show some gap, white gap showing our website, and how to fix it. In this video I will solve this issue. Let's start to solve this issue. First we go our website dashboard, and here we go appearance and then customize. After show this page, we go additional CSS, and here we paste a code that I given you. This is the code. Use this code and publish it. Our problem will be solved. You can pause this video and show this code properly and use this code in your website. I can publish now. I hope our problem will be solved, and go to my website view. I reload my website, and here no gap show here. If I hold the skin and shift left right, no gap show here, and it fixed. If you follow this simple step, you can solve your right or left white gap issue properly. Thank you.